Good morning, students. Today we will learn a new topic, line graph. So what is line graph? Have you seen ever? Yes, this is called a line graph. Line graphs are used to show data that changes over a period of time. You can see here the points, one per person. Now see, there are the different types of line graph are given here. This one line graph is given monthly rainfall. In x-axis the months are given and in y-axis the rainfall in inches are given. Yes, the title tell us what is being represented. So what is being represented here? X-axis, horizontal axis. In horizontal axis it shows the different time periods or the names of the things being compared. This is the x-axis, this is your horizontal axis. The months names are given here, and in y-axis, vertical axis, what is given here? It has numbers of whatever is being measured. So it is given in y-axis, what is given here? The rainfall. And you can see here the numbers are given, and rainfall is given in inches. And this one temperature, what about this one temperature? The temperature in Mumbai. And the days are given in January month, means day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. What is the temperature in Mumbai in the month of January in different days? That is given. Like in day 1 it was 30, day 2 it was 35, and you can see in the line graph different temperatures are given. Now you have to observe this one line graph and give the answers. What is the temperature on day 5? This is a day 5. So guess what is the temperature? Yes, 28 degree, because it is a little bit back to the 30. Which was the hottest day? The highest, we just check the highest peak. Yes, 35. 35 is the temperature, and it was in day 2. Which was the coldest day? Where you just check from the bar graph, where is the lowest peak? Yes, 25, and the day 3. Now we have a next question. Which 2 days have the same temperature? Can you guess? Which one did 2 days had the same temperature? Day 1 and day 4 had a same temperature, that is 30 degree Celsius. 30 degree Celsius, because temperature we always measure in Celsius. So this is all about your line graph, students. I hope you enjoyed a lot. Thank you. Bye bye.